This video details similar watch cases and the corresponding tool to open them securely. This is a screw-in case back. It usually has a few notches on it, or it is in a particular shape. For a screw-in case back, you need a suitable case back opener. You can use a 3-pin or 2-pin opener to open this type of case back. Align the 2-pin first. Maintain pressure between the opener and the watch, and keep them at a perpendicular angle. And then turn the opener. Occasionally, a watch in factory condition can have a tight case back. In that case, you can use a watch holder like this. It provides a more stable base so you can apply more torque onto the case back. With the case back removed, you can proceed to do any movement work you set up for. Rotor replacement, regulation or any mod or repair. Once you are done with the work, it's time to close the case back. You simply have to reserve what you did during the removal. Here's a general tip that applies to all case back. Make sure the gasket is still in place. Depending on the construction of the case, it could be on the case back or on the case. If water resistance is important to you, you can grease gaskets with silicone oil in this way before putting it back onto the case. Now, to reinstall screw-in case back, you can use your bare hands to apply the initial torque on the case back. But after that, you need to sufficiently tighten the case back properly with case back opener. If there's a significant gap between the case back and the case after tightening, the case back is possibly on the wrong thread. In this case, unscrew and rescrew. So make sure you check out our guides before you try it. That's how you remove and reinstall a case back. Remember to like and subscribe for more watchmaking tutorial and tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.